Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to a new special phrase of the day episode from Linguamid. In each episode, I introduce one daily use phrase in both Modern Standard Arabic and also in Egyptian Arabic. Before I dive into today's phrase, don't forget to check my first comment and enroll for 100% free in my online course Egyptian Arabic 101. It's designed for complete beginner and aims to give you the foundation that you need in order to start learning the Egyptian Arabic dialect. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to this video and subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to share this video if you found it useful.
Thanks in Egyptian is very easy. We say shukran or mutashakkir. Mutashakkir. So shukran or mutashakkir. Sometimes we say also alf shukr, which means 1,000 thanks. Okay, 1,000 thanks. So either shukran, mutashakkir or alf shukr. Thank you in Modern Standard Arabic means shukran. Shukran. It's exactly the same as shukran in Egyptian that you just learned. So shukran in Egyptian is directly derived from shukran in Modern Standard Arabic.
Did you find the phrase easy? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the Egyptian Arabic 101 course. Enrollment in the comment section below.